Here is the solution to Day 2, Problem 1. Question A, identify the x-intercept and y-intercept for the graph of this linear equation. So where does the line cross the x-axis and where will the line cross the y-axis? Let's find the x-intercept first. To find an x-intercept, we can substitute 0 in place of the variable y. That will create 4x plus 0 equals 6. Or another way to write this, 4x equals 6. Divide both sides by 4 to solve for x, and that makes 6 over 4. Now, 6 over 4 reduces to 3/2, and as a mixed number, this is 1.5. And so, writing this as an ordered pair, we have found that the x-intercept is 1.5, 0. There is going to be a dot there on the grid. Now the y-intercept. Where does the line cross the y-axis? We can find a y-intercept by putting in 0 for the x in the equation. So 4 times 0 plus y equals 6. 4 times 0 is just 0, and 0 plus y is just ly. So y equals 6. As an ordered pair, that's 0, 6. There is the y-intercept. I'm going to put a dot here for the x-intercept and put a dot here for the y-intercept, and then we can draw a line through those dots. So question B, graph the equation. The x-intercept is 1.5, 0. Here's the origin. Let's find 1.5 on the x-axis. Over 1 and then a half. Right there is 1.5. 0, 6. Here's the origin. Let's find 6 on the y-axis. Right up here. And then draw a line through these two dots. Now, Day 2, Problem 2. The value of an automobile, V of t, is a function of its age in years, t. A vehicle is worth $30,000 new and depreciates $4,000 each year. Question A, write a function equation for the situation. V of t equals the value of an automobile after t years. That's what that symbol means. $30,000 to begin with, and it depreciates, meaning it loses value each year. So minus $4,000 times t, where t is representing the age in years. Then in part B, we can use that function equation to find the values for these three instances. So first, V of 1, 30,000, subtract 4,000 times 1. That is $26,000. A vehicle that is 1 year old is still worth $26,000. Now, V of 3, 30,000, subtract 4,000 times 3. 4,000 times 3 is $12,000, and 30,000 subtract 12,000 is $18,000. So a vehicle that's 3 years old is worth $18,000. And last, V of 6. 30,000, subtract 4,000 times 6. 4,000 times 6 is $24,000. So 30,000 subtract 24,000 is $6,000. A vehicle that is 6 years old has lost a lot of its value. It's only worth $6,000.